Hey, good morning everyone. I hope you like my previous video. So in this video I thought of sharing how do we make the pots ready for planting. So the first thumb rule for potting is like you need to uh, soak these clay pots in the water, preferably overnight. Otherwise, if you do not have this much time, at least I would say keep them inside water for around 30 minutes. So the reason why we put them in water is like they if you directly put soil inside a dry pot, it is going to absorb all the moisture from the soil. So that's why since it absorbs a lot of water, so that's why it is always preferred to put them in water before you started potting. So to make them ready for the potting, all I need is a soaked clay pot. Then here if you can see, I have got this online, and the reason I got this because I do not wanted it to spend a lot of time here collecting the soil, then cocoa pit. So this provides all in one. So if you can see here, it contains red soil 50%, cocoa pit, enriched organic manure 50%, and this pot mix is ready to use potting medium made from a blend of red soil, cocoa peat and organic manure, enriched along with micro and macronutrients and microorganisms. So I thought if I use this directly, then I do not have to collect other things separately, like cocoa pit, then the soil, so all those things. So I am going with this. And if you can see, if you have observed, there are some diyas kept over here. So guys, my in-laws, they are into gardening. So their passion, especially my father-in-law passion is gardening. So whenever to do any activity, any gardening related activity, I always take suggestions from my mother-in-law and my father-in-law. So my mother-in-law gave a very nice suggestion, because I was not having pebbles. So how do I'm going to prevent the soil leakage? So for that, she told, you have diyas at home, so why don't you use it? So what I am going to do is, right now I did not have any pebbles at home. So these are small shaped diyas we got last year Diwali. So I have also soaked it for some time, I think some 10-15 minutes. So all I am going to do is, I'll be using this pot and putting it upside down here like this, so that the soil will not spill. You can either use pebbles, you can even, I have seen that people are using net, so the plastic net. So all those things can also be used here. So now I am going to open this pot mix and let us see. So here is a sneak peek of how it looks. So if you see, it's not sticky, it's the way I wanted it. If you can see. So for working mothers, or maybe like people who want to save time, they can easily use this. So I'm going to put them directly on the pots, and I don't like using gloves, because I think the more you will let yourself free from protecting your hands from touching the soil. Many people don't like it, but I think your positive energy goes to whatever work you do when you love them the way they are. So this is just a thinking, and you can, of course, if you have some allergy or anything, you can protect your hands from the gloves. So I am start putting them here. So first I'll make a little, I'll just cover that diya here, little bit I'll put here. So the soil here is not dry, a little wet only. And in my balcony I get around 2 to 3 hours of sunlight. But whenever I am going to put spinach and coriander seeds, so I have kept them for soaking. So for them, when we put the seeds here, we need to keep them not directly under the sunlight. So I have the provision where like little bit sunlight is there and the area where the sun comes directly. So now what I will do is I will put little bit of, I'll sprinkle little bit of water. Yeah, you can do it. Inside. Not inside that. Here. Yes. Okay. And in case, guys, if you are facing any fungal infection, then you can also soak cloves in the water for 2 to 3 days, and then you can use it for sprinkling over the soil, so that this will protect your plants from any fungal infection. So if you can see how easy it is. So this kind of pot mix are available in any online shopping website, so you can use it. We're playing with water. So I hope you like the video. So this is the way we will do. So when I will put spinach, I will show like its growth. So thank you so much for watching. Let's hope you like the video. So you want to help mommy?
Yeah.
Okay. Just start keeping the diya upside down. Do you know why we are doing that?
Because we need to do it.
Okay. See, the reason is when we will put soil and when we will put water on that, the soil can flow away from this. That's why we are keeping it as a barrier, so that the soil should not drain off.
No more.
Here it is. Yes, you did a great job. Now come here.
Now in the soil?
Yeah, the soil you should pick it and start keeping here slowly. Not the diya. Keep the diya there only. Yes. Start picking up the soil from this. So whatever I do, I try to involve my son, just so that he will get interest. So yes, you're doing great. So can you tell me what all things do a plant need to grow healthy?
The soil, sunlight, and water.
Very good. So if in case you guys didn't hear him, he said to grow a plant healthy in a healthier way, we need a soil, water, air and sunlight. Yeah, going great. Definitely there is going to be mess, but it is okay. That's why I prefer doing most of my activities in the balcony area, so that I can wash it off easily. And yeah, thank you for helping mama. So this was the extra shot which I thought of putting, so that I can show the involvement of my son as well. It actually prevent them spending more time on the screen. So I I won't say that I am not giving him the mobiles or tabs to watch, but yes, especially on the weekdays it is not even possible for me, since we both are working and we do not have any help here. So yes, he spend some time in watching videos, but yes, on weekends I try to spend as much as time with him, doing some activities and keeping him away from the screen. So thank you so much again for watching this. I hope you like it.